Hi guys, welcome to a quick review of my Carerra Fury 2019. I think this one came out in early 2018. It's still currently available in the shops. The new one isn't out until spring of 2020, so it's still the current model. 27.5 inch wheels. It's got 2.2 inch Continental tyres currently. It's a 1x11 drivetrain with a air-sprung Suntour Radeon fork. So quickly show you through the bike because I haven't got much battery left on my phone. As I say, it's a air-sprung fork, the Suntour Radeon. It's got 120 mil of travel. It's got this nice kind of champagne coloured stanchions here. Benefit of this one is it has a bolt-through axle, so this thickness here essentially goes right through the axle as opposed to a quick release. Which is quite high end really. You don't really see that on bikes at this price point. Generally on bikes much more expensive, but really gives that stability up front. It's running SRAM level brakes. They are a little bit bulky, but they are hydraulic, and the stopping power is absolutely immense because it comes with avid 180mm rotors. So yeah, absolutely fantastic stopping power. Continental X King tyres are standard. I might change them out. They're not that grippy, to be honest with you, out on the trails. It runs a 11-speed drivetrain, so it's 1x11, 32 chainring tooth up front, I believe it is, and then just obviously that one, and then 11 in the rear. It's a SRAM NX drivetrain, derailleur, and the only altercation I've really made to it is I've put these Boardman flat pedals on with adjustable pings. They're about 40 quid in Halfords, but well worth the money. So yeah, it's kind of it really. It's a house brand Carerra seat post, quite a short stem, Carerra again. What else can I say about it? Yeah, obviously the fork is lockout. There's a lockout on there, so you can adjust it on the fly. Air sprung, as I say, so you can adjust it there. 120mm of travel, and also has rebound adjustments, which is really good. So yeah, I've had a lot of fun on this bike. I've only owned it a couple of months, but it's plenty capable. As I say, I'm out here today in Darwin Forest in the Peak District, and it's more than capable. It's an absolutely fantastic bike, well worth the money. Retails around £600, but I have seen it go as low as £540, so just keep an eye out for any deals the Halfords will be running, maybe the Black Friday and Christmas coming up and what have you. So yeah, compared to the Carerra, the Vengeance, sorry, I forgot what it was called then, and this is just night and day difference. The bike is absolutely fantastic. So can't wait to see what the new one looks like next year, but apparently that has been delayed, so this is still the current model. And let me know what you think. Really great bike, absolutely fantastic for the price points. Can't go wrong with that bolt through axle. The brake combination, the fork up front is absolutely fantastic. There you go.